Yeah. Oh, there you go, guys. A massive welcome to another week's episode. Today I'm going to show you how to install this roof rack that I got off eBay. It was only $150. It's going to be a trial and tester because, yeah, it's a real hard thing to find roof racks for these Pajero shorties unless you want to spend about $1,000, which in my case is not an option because I just want to throw, like, camping chairs on there or maybe wood just to have some extra space. So yeah, I basically just went out to eBay and bought this cheap one. So we'll see how it goes, if it can do the job. And yeah, I guess I'll let you know how we go. But anyway, let's get straight into it. Okie dokie, so first impressions, everything looks actually pretty good. It comes with a manual, which looks pretty basic, but yeah, you should be able to figure it out. But yeah, you have to build it, so that's one of the things you have to do, but that's not a problem. It comes with all the tools and the brackets, which is pretty good. And yeah, so far not too shabby. I'm quickly going to build it and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so far the bar's looking very good, but yeah, the instruction manual sucks, so I'll just show you what you need to do just so you don't have to do it as well. So right at the end you need to put those brackets on. However, the instructions make you put the whole thing together, but turns out you have to leave this side open and the other side as well. Put these brackets in, so they just slide in there. Alright, and then it's go 6 in there each side. So yeah, put 6 on this side and 6 on this side, and then you can finally put everything together. Wowee! Alright guys, so finally finished. It took me a while to get everything in position because I'm going to want to make sure everything is straight and in line. Okay, so as you come up here, this is what it looks like. So basically this is the bracket. Now it does come with rubbers, so as you can see underneath there, that just goes around underneath that over there as well. But yeah, that's basically it. Very neat, and there's also enough space underneath in case it sags with stuff on top, then it won't damage the body or the roof of the car. There you go. So yeah, overall very happy. I'll give you some drone shots as well But that's what it looks like. Perfect size. You get 3 bars, but I end up just using 2 because the rail is a bit uneven. So yeah, 2 will be just fine. But yeah, super stoked with it. Also, just to make it quicker for you guys, so from there to there is 25 centimeters, and from there to there is 10.5 centimeters, and then it will be the exact same on the other side. Well, that's a wrap up for us today, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Overall, I'm super happy with the roof rack, and I mean, for $150, you can't complain. It is aluminium, so it's super light as well, and yeah, the quality is not too bad. It is nice and sturdy. I gave it a shake around, and it's pretty good. It has a nice low profile as well, so yeah, in my opinion, try it out. Worst comes to worst, it breaks in 6 months, and then it's up to you to spend $1,000. But yeah, for me, it's going to do the job just fine putting camping chairs on there and whatnot. The loaded rating is 150 kilograms. I would probably not do that, but yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'll put the link in the description, and yeah, thanks guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see the further build on this car. Exciting stuff coming. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.